What is happening today, ladies and gentlemen? So today in the life of Rich, we're going to take out this old bed in the tiny home. Now I put this up because I was using it, but I didn't make it in the right dimensions. In addition to that, I did a new way of foaming all the walls where it's a little bit more sealed. And if you look underneath here, still has this old boarding that I had put on with lace screws right here. And just wasn't to my satisfaction. The construction was decent enough, you know, but we might raise a little bit. We might change the dimensions around. Either way, we got to get behind that wall. We got to tear all this out and see what's behind there, so we can fill it in with these foam panels correctly. First thing we're going to do is remove the top of all of this fake boarding that I put here. I just put it in with a nail gun, so we're just going to pry it up. Alright, so we got all the boards off. I tossed them outside there. The problem is some of the nails didn't come out. And I'm going to try to salvage some of this wood. We're going to get the impact wrench in next, or the impact driver, and pull out the screws, or attempt to pull out the screws. If that goes awry, we'll break out the maul. Okay, impact driver time. Yeah. Well, this is looking clear. And besides the cleanup, which I'll do a little straightening so we can get these side panels on another day, looking pretty damn good. Well, thanks for watching, guys. I know that was just a teardown video, but hey, it's another day in Rich's life. See you next time.